Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Urdu Fashion World and another video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon. You can find every upcoming video easily. So let's start our video. In today's video I have bought lipstick shades for you. So let's start our video. Lipstick shades are an essential part of makeup with an extensive range of colors and finishing to choose from. We will explore the fantastic world of lipstick shades, covering various aspects such as color families, finishing, skin tones, and trends. Color families. Lipstick shades are characterized into different color families, or each offering a unique look and feel. Some popular color families include red, pink, nude, berry, coral, orange, brown. Finishes. Lipstick finishes determine the texture and shine level of the product. There are several popular finishings to consider: matte, satin, glossy, metallic, providing a stable sheer hint of color and hydration to the lips. Cream, a smooth and creamy texture that balances color and moisture for comfortable wear. Condensation for different skin tones. Choosing the right lipstick shades for your skin tone can elevate your overall look. Here are some tips to different skin tones. Pair look: soft pink, peachy nudes, olive skin, deeper pink and berry shades. Medium to deep skins, deep red, plums and rich brown. Trending lipstick shades. Fashion or beauty trends evolve over time, and lipstick shades are no expectation. Some recent lipstick trends include monochromatic looks, gradient lips, neon brights, muted earth tones. Lipstick application tips. Applying lipstick with the precision with essential to achieve a polished look. Here are some popular application tips: exfoliate, lip liner, lip brush, blotting, etc. Lipstick are a form of self-expression. Lipstick are a powerful tool for self-expression through civilization history. From ancient to modern times, people have used lipstick to communicate social status, culture, identity, and personal styles. Lipsticks and psychologist impact. Research has shown that lipstick can have a psychological impact on both wearer and observer. Wearing bold lipsticks colors bold boost self-confidence and create a sense of development. Allah Hafiz.